No one ever said parenthood was easy. Udey left his full-time job 7 years ago to become a stay-at-home dad. Making that choice was a significant milestone in Udey's life, and it came with some challenges. There was a lot for the former photographer to adapt to, from his kids' nutrition to their development and well-being. So, sometimes it's nice to take a break from it all. A break from the distractions and the big city. Seven years ago, Udey's eldest daughter was diagnosed with autism. This is when he decided to be a stay-at-home dad, to give her his undivided attention. He takes her outdoors every weekend. It gives them the chance to strengthen their bond and gets her away from the loud noises and the overwhelming sensations of the big city. He goes above and beyond to make sure she always feels safe, calm, and comfortable, no matter where she is. He's had many breakthroughs with his daughter ever since. He's learned what triggers her and what calms her down. He's realized that she's very energetic and has trouble sleeping at night. So he looks for new and exciting activities to help develop her cognitive abilities. He understands the burdens she carries each day. And it was upon exploring the outdoors that he realized nature therapy helped her fully relax. She's now able to self-regulate just a little more. Even though she's non-verbal, they've learned how to communicate. They've managed to find a common interest, a passion for the great outdoors. It hasn't been an easy journey for them both. It takes a lot of sacrifice, and Udey has never left his daughter's side. He continues to help develop her cognitive abilities and supports her with patience, love, and care. Udey is on a mission to destigmatize autism. His daughter has reached many milestones because of his dedication. And while the journey may be challenging, Udey and his daughter look to the road ahead, achieving small wins each and every day.